Welcome, here I've got ULEFONE Armor 3W and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick it we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have watermark option. By using this button we can turn it on and turn it off like that as we need. For now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to take the picture to see how the watermark of ULEFONE look like. To see the photo let's move to the left. Now to this button, when we pick it we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our picture with watermark in the left corner at the bottom. Let's get closer to it now. And this is how the watermark looks like, ULEFONE Shot On Armor 3W. And of course when we don't need it we can go back to the camera, then to the left corner settings, and use this button to turn it off. Now when we take another picture the watermark should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.